Recently I got a new job building motorhomes and camper vans. Now, most of the work, the woodwork etc, I'm alright with. The wiring's been a steep learning curve. Until I started this new job, I would never have believed how many wires and cables goes inside a camper van. So I really needed a decent soldering iron. I've been borrowing soldering irons. I even went out and bought an electrical soldering iron, which is no good when I'm inside a camper van because you're trailing extensions everywhere. So I've decided to go out and buy a gas soldering iron. That's the soldering iron I've bought, so I'll whip it out of the box and see what we get. You get the usual instruction booklet that tells you basically nothing. Although I wish I'd read the little yellow tag. Now if we're going to believe the box, it says you can solder, weld, cut, wood burning, shrinking and paint removal. And I'm sure I've read somewhere that you can cook a chicken in 15 minutes. Now I've had a quick flick through instructions, most of it's in foreign, so I think we'll have to have a guess. Now as far as I'm aware, you just use normal lighter fluid. After a few attempts I realised it needed an attachment to the end of the gas canister. So then I messed about with it for about 15 minutes and then I realised all the operating instructions are on the little yellow tag. So to fire it up, there's a safety switch. You click the blue button out, press it down, it automatically ignites, and then you press the lock button on the side. Then it makes a sound like a jet engine. It just goes to show you not all instructions are useless. Right, this is code. I'm not going to speed this up, I'm going to do it as is and see how long it takes to get heated up. Wow, that's pretty quick. I thought I'd have a quick go and see what it's like at wood burning. Not brilliant if I'm honest. I'm no expert in soldering, but I'm pretty impressed with this. It does do a very good job at soldering. Also in the kit you get a couple of small spanners for changing the tips. As for wood burning, if you just want to do a straight line, yeah, this is a tool for you. But I do think there's better tools out there for wood burning. I have speeded this up a bit so it does make it look better than what it actually is. On the end now I've got a small blowtorch attachment. I suppose that could come in quite handy. All in all, as a soldering iron or plastic repair kit, brilliant, couldn't recommend it enough. As for wood burning, you might get away with it. There are better tools out there in my opinion for wood burning. And as for cooking chickens, no chance. As always, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you like, subscribe and I'll see you next time. Ta-da!